Hey guys, what's up? It's Danielle. So welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have another Pipsticks unboxing, whatever you want to call it, for you. And this is going to be the last one for quite a while because I still have a ton of stickers that I need to use up. And also, I am pulling back on the subscriptions that I have. So don't worry, it's not the end, it's just the end for right now. But this is the one for the month of September. And don't get me wrong, these have been really fun to get in the mail. So this is what the card looks like and shows you what's in the pack this month. So definitely getting into like the Halloween sorts of things. And yeah, I never really look at this sort of thing, to be quite honest, because it's, I don't know, I'm more so into the stickers. But anyways, let's see what we got this time. Very Halloween, very fall, which I'm excited for. Have not been excited for fall in a very long time. So first of all, there is this postcard, which I really like this. So I might actually use this in one of my planners, but I like the little hollow accents. I think that's really cute. And then on the other side, there's little candles at the top. Maybe someday I will actually use these, but I think for now, what I'm primarily going to use these for are like just, I don't know, things in my planner, whichever one, I don't know, probably my Filofax, if I'm being honest. So here's the first sheet. You just have like all of these glass jars with different things in them, and this is really cute. I like all the little hollow accents. And then you got some witches, and I think that's cute. Moon's out, broom's out. And again, hollow. Well, this isn't hollow. It's just silver. This I love. You got all the kitties. And of course, they made one of them chubby, more than one. But I love cat stickers. Then we have some clear spider stickers, and I guess they're meant to look like gems or whatever, so it's kind of cool. Then we have frogs with some mushrooms and butterflies. These are really pretty. I like these, the flowers and everything. I really like that. That's gorgeous. Next up, we have more hollow, and this is just like Halloween type stuff. So it's kind of cute. I guess it's like a make your own little charm necklace sort of thing. It's really cute. Then we have these like moths, I guess. I guess it would be moths or whatever. But I really like that. The designs are super cute. All right, then we come to the ravens, which I'm actually a huge fan of crows and ravens, to be quite honest. So I really love this. Then we have kind of like, it's called Hands of Destiny, but this is like, you know, like you have the fortune teller type stuff. And then we have snakes and roses. I guess this is limited edition or whatever. And then more kitties, because of course has to be more kitties. I like this one because he's chubby. Then there's just a big old frog witch sticker, which is cute. And then we have this one, which is kind of like a mixture of everything, and I guess this is also limited edition. And then last but not least, we have skull planters, which I think is really cool. So anyways, that is it for this month's Pipsticks. And like I said, this is going to be the last one for a while. I'm not entirely sure when I'll pick this back up again, but it has been a lot of fun sharing these with you guys because, first of all, I get to see like what they have to offer, and it also kind of gets me out of my comfort zone of just having more functional stickers. So I really, really love their stickers. I think they're really great quality. Definitely worth the price. It's just my priorities have shifted, and I, would rather save my money a little bit more so I can spend it on other things right now. But I do really love the Pro Sticker Club. I think it's an amazing value, especially because it's a small business. I do like to support small businesses if I can, but I don't like go out of my way to do that. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye guys.